crawl? You gonna show everybody how you can crawl?
You going backwards, buddy? All right. Ooh, it's got there's the push-up stance.
Mm-hmm.
Talk it up.
Yeah. Are you gonna crawl? You gonna show us how you can go some places? Yeah. Oh, that was backwards. Uh-huh.
Oh.
Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Where are you going? Where are you going? You move those feet. Yeah.
Backwards he goes.
Mm-hmm.
Hi. Hi, where are you going? Good job, buddy.
Oh, wow.
What was that?
Wow.
That might be the
Yeah.
little spot right there.
Oh. Connor, do you want your ball?
I need to get that off the camera. I gotta get something going before I take lunch.
Get it. Get it. Get your ball. Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Yeah. You get up. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh, what'd you hit? Did you hit the chair? Oh. Okay. You want me to get you? Okay, crawl this way. Okay, get your ball. You got your ball. Oh, you want the camera. Here's your ball. Yeah. Where's your ball? Where's your ball? You gonna call Grandma and Grandpa? Nana and Papa? Call them. Say hello. Hi. Okay, we're gonna stop. And we're gonna do something else now. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.